Good day, I'm Dara Castolo, 26 years old from Tugascan de Bohol, Philippines. I hold a degree in Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management at Bohol Island State University. I'm highly motivated and result-oriented professional cook with over 1 year and 4 months of experience. Currently serving as the head cook and kitchen and dining assistant officer in charge at Palm Beach Resort and Spa. My career journey has equipped me with a broad spectrum of cooking expertise, spanning kitchen operation, fine dining, and catering. I have honed my skill through hands-on experience in reputable establishments such as the Triangle and the Cebu White Sand Resort and Spa, and also at Sunkist Resort. My professional strength lies in kitchen management, leadership, teamwork, problem solving, and time management. I approach its tasks with dedication and integrity, and I am passionate about delivering consistent and high quality results, and also several certificates that enhance my qualification, including Certificate of Competency in Bread and Pastry Production in situ, Certificate from the Alliance of Hospitality and Tourism Movers of Philippines, and International Gastronomy Webiral and Chef Virtual Cooking Demo. Certificate of Completion from Cebu White Sand Resort and Spa, and Certificate of Perfect Attendance at Palm Beach Resort and Spa, and also Basic Barista and Latte Art course completion at Tamboli Seaside Resort and Spa. I am now seeking opportunity to join a dynamic organization where I can contribute my skills and passion and discipline to deliver expectational service and grow professionally. Thank you for the opportunity.
Hey!